Now we will carry on to the Excel part. To the Excel part, just as what I have done for the Word and the PPT part, we will just save it as what? Yes, this name. Name it as Rudy System Informatique. Yes, no. System Informatique Flux d'info SE first semester, and then your given name and your family name here. Okay, just save it and let's begin. Remember to save it time to time. Then create a new copy of worksheet list of dues and name it as this. So just create a new copy. So move all copy and to the same workbook and move to the end and create a copy just like that. Like list of dues analysis, like this. Okay, we will edit it. And at first it was extract a year. Yes, year for this column. This we will calculate the year of the date, and similarly month, this column, and month of the date. Just click on it, and we have the month of it. And this trimester we will use the function of if or ifs, just as you like. I prefer ifs, so we will judge if I will write it here. Just judge it if it less than 3, less or equal to 3. If not, if yes, we will note it as trimester 1, and then similarly I3. I cannot select it. Okay, I will type it. Just I3 here, and if I3 is less than 6, it will be semester 2. And then I3 less than, because if I3 is less than 3, it will be attributed as 1. So once I3 less or equal to 6, in fact means it's superior to 3, bigger than 3, and less than 6. So less than 6 here means bigger than 3 and less than 6 here. So less than 9, which means it's bigger than 6 and less than 9 here. So it's third, and then I3 less than, of course, there's only 12 here, and this is 4. So we will have the trimester of all the lines here. Well, we have just calculated them and sort the data according to agency. So just select it and insert and not insert, just data, and then sort it from at the letters. For example, expand. Of course, you should select expand the selection. If not, there will be some disorder, because if the other columns do not change with agency, we will have the wrong due registers. So we have now the agency sorted, and then when we do the subtotal, we have this step is for the subtotal later. So what I want is to do next step. Okay, just here, income more than 7,000, more than 7,000. So how can I do it? How can I do it? Just put um, your your mouse here, or you can just select somewhere, just the want. So insert, and then not insert, home, and then conditional formatting. What I want, new rules, and you use a formula to decide. Use a formula to decide. What is our formula? Our formula is if this, of course, formula is equal, begins from equal. If this is bigger than 7,000, I will set it as light orange, light orange, like that. Okay, light orange, just like that. Okay, what will happen? Nothing. Why? Because this is the right because this is not the right zone, not a good zone of data. What I will do is just to select, or right now it's just apply to this cell. It's not what I want. What I want is to just select all of this data. Okay, just to select all of the data. Okay, just select that. Okay, well, okay, and then what happened? Nothing. Why nothing? Because the in the formula, in fact, what we want to compare is just this number, but it should be adapted to the other lines. So we have locked the column, yes, but we have column the rows, no. We will delete it and just click on OK. And then what will happen? Now for the other lines, we have just set the background. We have just set the background of all cells when it reached a due greater than 7,000. What I have done here? Why did? What happened? Okay, management of rule. E bigger than 7,000, yes, bigger than 7,000, and no, I understand, because what? Because this line should not be selected, and this, the B3, E3 here should be the first line of the selection. For example, the third row should be the first in the selected zone. So we should just start from the third line. Okay. This time the management B3 to J, and just like that, and no, this one, no, this one, similar, this should be start from the third line, okay, and here third, okay. Now it runs good. Just I repeat that the formula should be the formula for the first line of the selected zone. So if we start from the third row, and the formula here should be the third. And I remind you that the 3 here should be relevant relative reference, and we should lock the column here to ensure that it goes well. Okay, now what is it? It's the conditional formatting, and what I have asked you to do next. Subtotal of income. Just the subtotal data here. Data and subtotal. Where is it? Yes, subtotal. And in terms of what? In terms of agency. And what I want is the sum of income, no semester but income. Yes, and here, okay, and now we have the we have summarized the total income generated in each city or in each agency. So we have the numbers here, and just add what we have set. Just add what we have set up, because this number is bigger than 7,000. This line, this row is set as light orange. I do not want this. What can we do? I'm just showing you. I have not asked you to do that. You don't need to do it. I'm just showing you. So, and if I don't want mark this line as light orange, I can just change a little this rule. Yes, what? No, here rule manage rules here, and I can add another. Another condition that the first line, the B line, and the third, of course, for this one, we'll start from 3. Yeah, from this line, not equal is less and more. The side of inferior and superior, and to what? If it is not empty, just like this, the double the quote mark, but with nothing in it. So just do it like that. You don't have to do it in your exam. I'm just showing you how to undo the light orange color for this line. You don't have to do it in your exam. I'm just showing you. So what we have to do next? Wait, insert a pivot table or worksheet of list of due analysis. Can we insert a pivot table here? Can we insert a pivot table here in a new worksheet? Yes or no? No, because we have added the subtotals. So don't delete it. Don't delete it, because I have asked you to do that. If you delete it, you I don't know if you have done it. So just make a copy of this. Just make a copy of this table, and just undo the subtotal here in your copy. So I will name it as copy, and just undo the subtotal here. Undo, and then subtotal, and remove all. Just remove all, and there's no subtotal here. And then I can insert a pivot table here. Now we can just insert it. What I have asked you to rename it to rename this pivot table as pivot table of what agency, just like that. Okay, agent and agency. I want to move it to the end. Now what I will add it to agent as rules, and agency as columns. And I want to count the number of views, just count it. So you can count no matter what term. For example, you can count the data, or you can count another thing. Of course, you can just count another thing. For example, you can remove it and just count product or income. Income. We just count the number. We just and click on field setting and just count it. How many deals have reached? Just like that. Just count it. Not sum. Just count it. And then what I have asked you to do, to slicer, to insert a slicer. So insert a slicer. Yes, slicer. Filter is here and slicer here, and I will check the year as what? As buttons. Okay, you can see during each year how many deals have been made, like this. Okay, this step, and then we will create another. I have asked you to create another pivot table like deal analysis, year, agency, just like that. Insert and then pivot table here. Just insert pivot table here, and now okay. And I want to move it to the end. I want just to move it to the end, and pivot table, and now year, agency, just like that. And I will set year as rows and agency as columns. And then I want to sum up the incomes. Okay, it turns out like this. Of course, I can set them up I can set it up as options, and then I do not update the column width. So I can just adjust the width of columns. Of course, it will be looked like this. And then what I have to do? Yes, just insert a clustered column chart. Just insert a clustered column chart like this, and column chart just like that. Okay. This is the year as income as axis y. Yes, axis y, and year as axis x. Yes, this is what I want. And each city has its own column. Okay, of course I can just insert some new things. For example, the title. For example, I can insert a title, number. Okay, I will edit it. Number of incomes, yearly incomes. Okay, yearly incomes for each agency, just like that. And you don't have to do it. You don't have to do the same thing as me. I have not asked you to do that. I'm just showing you. So just do what I have asked you. You will have the point. Then what we will do next? Okay, set up as axis 1 unit as 5 50,000. So it's already 50,000. However, if it's not, you can just double click on it and then click on this icon and then axis options, and you can set 50,000 here, 50,000 here. So I have set it here, and then what I want to do next, just insert another table. Just insert a stacked column, just like this, stacked column, and now set the total income as axis Y, total income, yes, and Y, and year as X, yes, and each agency has a segment. Okay, just like that, I have done that. Each agency has its segment, just like that. Okay, I have finished. Then we have to insert another. Another pivot table worksheet here. Insert another pivot table, just another pivot table, and name it as what? Name it as okay, pivot table. Okay, just add it and put it to the end. I will put it to the end, just here, and I will name it as pivot table. Table what? Year. Yes, year here. So what I asked you to do, just put year as rows and nothing for column. Remember, nothing for column, and then columns, and then income for values, and sum of income for values. In this way, we can just insert a pie chart. This one is pie chart. If you do not, if it's not here, just click on it and click pie chart. Pie chart here, 2D or 3D, it doesn't matter. Okay, I will pie chart of agency incomes. Okay, just like that. Okay, I have inserted it just like that. No, this is year. No, not agency, just yearly incomes. Okay, it looks like this. And then what we want next, yes, insert a line chart. Just select on it and insert a line chart. Line chart like this. Just like this. So this is the segment of the tendency of all the 5 years. Of course, we can set them up as minimum as 0. So just from 0, and we will see that it does not change too much. You just set it as you want. For example, we can set we can write it as line chart for yearly incomes, yearly total incomes, just like this. Okay. Set income as X, of course, year as axis. Yes, just like that. Okay, we have finished all the exercises. I hope that you can follow me and do it better than me during the exam. Thanks a lot. Bye.